Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your understanding with open culture, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your understanding with open culture, start by visiting the Open Culture website. Explore the home page, where you'll find a wealth of resources. Take note of the categories available, such as online courses, ebooks, and movies. Click on the Online Courses section to access free courses from top universities. Browse through the course offerings and select a topic that interests you. Once you choose a course, click on the link to start learning. Next, check out the ebooks section for free downloadable books. Select a genre that appeals to you and explore the available titles. Download a book that intrigues you and immerse yourself in your reading. Now, navigate to the movies section to find classic films and documentaries. Choose a film that interests you and enjoy the content it offers. For a deeper understanding, visit the Languages section for language learning resources. Select a language you wish to learn and explore the free tools provided. As you engage with these resources, take notes to reinforce your learning. Consider joining online forums related to your interests for discussion and networking. Set aside dedicated time each week to explore new content on open culture. Reflect on what you've learned and apply it to your personal or professional life. Regularly revisit the website to discover new materials and updates. With consistent use of open culture, you'll find your understanding will greatly improve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.